Hi friends, let's we discuss about how to modify the input value and same data get the modified output data in Action Center to Excel. First, we need to install the two packages in this process. These two packages are must. First, we click the manage packages, then goes to all package, then we enter the form activity. Yes, those two packages are we need to must to run this action center. First one UiPath Presence activity and second one UiPath Farm activity library. But I'm already installed this those two activity packages because if we install we take some time. So I'm already installed those two one. First, if you start a first time, we install this one UiPath Presence activity and UiPath Farm activity. Then we must definitely we enable the support presidency activity. If we does not enable this one, of the process is not wait the process. Just run and get the error some show some error. First, we need to get input Excel. Sorry, get a rearrange. We have a two rearrange on Excel rearrange and workbook rearrange. If we need to use Excel means if we definitely get it the Excel application scope, but I don't need this one. Now I directly get the workbook path rearrange. First, sorry, first we choose the our file path input desktop. If we have we don't need a range of this process because sometimes if we move to project we get a infinity input, then we give some data table name variable rr rearrange already exists in scope, so rr1 control key. Okay, then we take it a create form task activity. This create form task, this one is our a random header title. If we give something testing demo in Action Center, then we create an argument data table. We pass this that input rearrange value rr r1. This is a data table, so we change that data type string to data table. Then if we get the both direction in and out, because we get the modified data in output, so we use the same argument name in input and output both of this. Then give OK, then open from designer. First we get the data grid. We give some same data table variable in this argument name. The same name gives to field key. because then only we get it the input. Okay, next we add some column in text field. Our same employee, our same input Excel column gives this one, then only we get the output and properly. Same on in field key. Then we create a second column. Then we give label and field key and save. And we create a third column. This is our output column hike. The case sensitive is important. If we give same name in both display label name and field key name, then only we get the output and properly. Then we get it the submit button, but otherwise we don't need this one. All containers delete. If we complete this one, then save this process, then form created, then close this one. Then after this process, we create output in create form task. This one is also already having a task one. Okay, this one another important one is our orchestrator folder path, because then only we connect the studio to orchestrator and get the action center label in orchestrator pages. We give the folder name. If you use same folder name, new folder in orchestrator, we already connected in studio to orchestrator. The same new folder name, give this orchestrator folder path, new folder. Okay, close, minimize this one. Then wait for task, wait for form task and resume, because then only we get the suspended stage in studio. Then we go to changes modified in orchestrator, then we come to resume this process. We give the input in this create form task output, this task one output, give an input in wait for task. Okay, then we get the output in right range. If I used in right range in workbook, so I get it the workbook, this one. The same file path I copied this one, but I creating small, just create a new Excel file, so change this one. We delete this range of right range. We pass the same rearrange data table RR1, because we create an form data both in and out in same RR value, so we get it the output in same data table. Okay, complete this one. Okay, shall we run this process? This is our input file, employee experience hike. We get the okay, we get the same data in action center. We edit, modify this process. Then now I close this one and save. Okay, shall I run this process? Now bot is started to running. Now execution has been suspended and is waiting to external event to complete because we have some changes in our orchestrator action panel. We have no pending process. If we unassign process just a few seconds ago, if we run this one, the same data we get it. We change this one, assign to self because I only change this, modify this one, give some high percentage in employee, 5%, 3%, this one 6%. If we need this experience change means if we almost we do it, okay, 3%. We don't need this plus because both persons are don't have any experience, so we don't give some hike, so we delete this one. Okay, we give submit button, then complete. Action completed successfully. Bot resume the bot start to running, then complete this process. We check it the new excel created test. This is our input one testing, and this is our output. We modify this Jaya as 1.5 1 to 1.5. We enter this on 5%, 3, 6% and 3% in output action center we get, and then we delete Rohin and Ranganathan. We also get output in correct properly in testing too. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, any comment, please comment in our comment box. Then if you need any new one, please write in comment box. I will update it shortly. If you please subscribe my channel. Thank you.